Welcome to Soft Asia. Today we will study PHP Conditional Statements. Very often when you write code you want to perform different actions for different conditions. You can use conditional statements in your code to do this. What is PHP if statement? The if statement executes some code if one condition is true. Syntax: if condition, code to be executed if a condition is true. Here is example of if statement. In this example, condition is if current time is less than 20 hours, then print have a good day. You can see the output. That's it from today. We will cover if else and switch statement in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.